Good morning, we are near Middleton and we are off to see Low Force and High Force, the tallest waterfall in the United Kingdom, with some friends and doggies. So we're going to go on a little adventure and have a look at what we can find.
You're going to be in the northern woods, be careful.
Sorry?
You're going to be in northern woods, be careful.
Yeah, they have banjos in there and they hide in the trees. Got any, do you have any history lessons for us here, Mr. Mac?
Well, you see, this is all glacial, so all these hills here were formed by glaciers, and there's part of the wind shelf, which is a 200 million year old rock platform that actually comes out of the ground around here, and especially at High Force you'll see it quite prominently. And yeah, that's it.
Thank you, sir.
Oh yes, it's the boy, it's the ram. So what they do, you see like that sheep has a green backside.
Yeah.
So what they do is they spray. So that there with the red harness, that's the ram.
Yeah.
So they spray paint on his stomach, so when he's rutting, they know which ones he's had a go at.
Oh, okay.
So if you ever see a sheep with like a green smear, so it also tells him which ram has been on which sheep.
Right, yeah.
So there's one with green stuff on her face. We don't want to ask her what she's been doing.
Sounds like a good time to me, that one does.
Yeah, so he's obviously had a go at those two. And there's, see the ones with the orange?
Yes, yeah.
That'll be a different ram.
That one's got a little mark on her neck as well. Sounds like a good old party down there.
Good. I think we've walked into a sheep's party.
Oh, look at the
Morning,
river.
girls. You had a good night.
You might want to go to the clinic after that.
Oh, so that one there, she's been done by both of them.
Oh, she has. Dirty little stop out. She'll be like a rainbow by the end of the month. I'll check the river out. Nice.
So this is the Tees. This is where I live.
Be a bloody good place to live, wouldn't it? And then we have the little Hobbit bridge.
You probably won't see many people today either because it's cold, so people won't be out.
Yeah. And if a northerner says it's cold, then it's definitely cold.
Hey, I've got my big coat on.
Yeah, you have got your big coat on, yeah. Are you much of a kayaker?
No.
Just Mirage?
I spent 20 years in the water rescue team. It's not something I do for fun. See that there?
Oh, that cave, yeah, that cave.
These are the old lead mines. So these are the piles of spoil. Because it was quite well known for its lead in this area, but they've like closed them all off now. You'll see them. There's loads of them dotted along the sides of the walls.
Yeah.
So we're going to see another one over there.
Oh yeah. And this is Low Force. The smallest waterfall in England.
So what you've got here is that's the beginning of Low Force there.
Yeah.
And that there is one of the oldest suspension bridges in the world. Been there for a very long time. So the Tees has cut a very narrow path through the wind shelf, so you can see the rock on the side there. That's part of the wind shelf. And then up there you can see the exposed rock.
Yeah.
This is part of the wind shelf as well.
Look at this. Don't look down. This is one of the oldest suspension bridges in the world. Check it out. Look at that. Is it one at a time? Oh, sorry, man. Everyone's waiting for me. I didn't realise it's one at a time. Oh, God. Ooh. That'll make a hell of a video. Falling, breaking the oldest suspension bridge in the world. Oh man, look at the falls over there.
This is where, when I was in the fire brigade, this is where we used to do our swiftwater training.
Ah.
So we'd actually see, we'd actually be in the water here, underneath the falls and with the rafts and everything. Pretty cool. I missed that bit.
Oh damn. You having a tea break or?
Yeah, tea break when you get the drone out, yeah.
Yeah, wicked nice. Time to get some drone footage. Check out this. Amazing, man.
You bring your skid clamp, you have to go down. Yeah, so you'll see people come down there in kayaks.
Oh man, that'd be awesome. I mean, I wouldn't do it myself.
Yeah, that leads into this cat back. Well,
anything you can break your back on, it gives it a go.
So that, there's like a shelf over there, you can jump off into the water because it's really deep here, it's a really deep pool.
Yeah.
But where that waterfall is there's a massive undercut.
Right.
Goes back about 15 feet. So if anybody drowns in this area, which I've been known to do, they usually end up underneath there. People don't realise that that's perfectly safe.
Yeah.
Aerated water like that is 50% less buoyant.
Right.
So they jump off, they hit that and they go.
Yeah.
You can't get away until you get washed up into the non-aerated stuff. So I've seen really experienced guys wearing dry suits and flotation devices nearly drown here.
No.
Crazy. People don't realise how dangerous it is.
It looks like fun, doesn't it, from up here?
Yeah, but I mean, the kayakers usually come down this one. If there's more water, they'll come down that one.
Yeah.
Because there isn't that sort of kickback. Yeah.
Amazing.
Spent a lot of time here, it's been fun.
So you did a lot of your training here?
We do all our swiftwater training here.
Yeah.
Teaching the dangers of aerated water. Obviously there's like eddy lines. Can you see there's like a line of bubbles?
Yeah.
So that's the different flows between the two areas where the water are coming in. So that is a safe area. And then if you get into there, you can just stay there as long as you want.
Yeah.
As soon as you move out into where the eddy is, you get swept away.
What's the eddy bit?
See the line of bubbles?
Yeah.
It's like a definite definition between the two flows.
Right, yeah.
So you could swim up that eddy line into that area there, that's safe.
Yeah.
Because there's no movement of the water. And then as soon as you move out across the eddy line, you'll get swept down.
The amount of people that probably jumped in there just thinking it's a bit of fun, right?
Yeah, especially here. Because they see that and they go, oh wow, and they jump in. And then it takes quite a long time to come back up.
Yeah.
Yeah, dangerous. Looks Nice though.
It does looks bloody nice. Mac and VR used to be a fireman and he specialised in this kind of stuff, so he's just given us a lesson on water safety. It looks really cool to jump in, but you really need to be careful. That's really cool,
Isn't it? You can open the gate either way.
That was really is interesting, man. It really is. Face, what was your reaction to the double hinge?
I was blown away.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, here, Serge, I've got this for you.
Straight out the Shire.
So the River Tees runs down off the dales, so the water is peat coloured, so it's brown. But this is just fresh water running off, so it's up. You can actually see the bottom.
Yeah.
So that's a difference. So if you go over there, you won't be able to see 2 inches under the water because it's brown. But it's just because of the peat.
Can I drink this water? Be safe, right? One in. Can I have a little sip of water, yeah?
It's full of sheep piss.
Sheep piss is good.
See the water brown? See the difference?
Yeah, oh yeah,
Can't see like 6 inches under the water. That's because this is straight down from the dales.
These dirty little stop hats have been at it. Look at them all multicoloured. Must have been a fun time. So Mac, tell me more about Heather the Scrub. Who is she and where do I locate her?
She's right there next to you, mate.
Oh, okay.
Just lie down with her, she'd love it.
Right, we can hear High Force approaching just ahead. So let's check it out. A little bit icy. Watch my step. Oh damn. That's really nice, man. Look at that. That is cool. Just got some drone footage of High Force and this is a view from the top. Check it out. That was really cool. What a view. We're making our way back down, and that was High Force, the tallest waterfall in the UK. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.